Good day. As you observe, this is a small air conditioning unit compressor. As you can see on the shaft, near on the shaft steel, there is a oil drain plug installed on that compressor, which located the oil seal and mechanical seal. This is very important. It's because you need to install that one. Previously they forgot to install the oil drain pipe. That cover which you install the drain pipe, where the oil seal is located. Okay, this is very important, oil drain pipe, because other AC, example High Air Korea, because this one is Daikin. On the High Air Korea there is a small pipe, same like this, drain pipe, and then connect to the small oil cup, which you can see if the oil is excessive leaking, means there is a problem on your mechanical seal or shaft seal. Okay, this one is very important. You need to check on your compressor if that oil drain pipe is installed, and then after installed we need to put a small pipe and then small cup, so that we can check if excessive leaking or in normal operation, because normally that drain pipe has a small drip during running. Okay, this is the main panel 1 and 2, and then change to number 2, isolate the number 2 again, same procedure, remove the drain plug. As you can see, the dirt is accumulated on that part, which may cause damage on your mechanical seal and oil seal. Okay, this is very important, the oil drain pipe, because that is on the middle of the mechanical seal and oil seal, which flush out the dirt and the excess oil. Okay, thank you. I hope this will give us a enlighten to us. This is small tips. Thank you very much.